This is part 2. And I'm gonna fight this
Yung tamo,
coach.
sa taba. Baba yung isa, baba.
I gotta coach clean. If you can't beat one of them, sorry.
Baba mo na isa, baba mo na isa.
It's okay, I can hide. I
Pwede
can
niya.
hide at them.
Huwag natin daw.
If I am the Riz Master.
Hindi, kaya niya namin to.
The Riz Master's been compromised. The Riz Master has been compromised. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Ayun, papagay ko dito.
Oh shoot, they don't get
Sorry ha. Late game na yung kulat eh. Late game ako. Wala ka na eh. Sabi nila nagpapalala yung Diyos. Walang damage. Late game tuloy ako. Tabo. Lahat. Pero at least nag-effort siya ah. Iba yung effort niya talaga nga.
I won. Oh my god! My favorite weapon of all time! Let's go, I got it.
Dito naman yung build ko, anti-tamos ah.
Oh no, god, you guys gonna be so jealous.
Kaya wala
I
dami.
have every weapon.
Inala ko talaga yung
I have every weapon.
lifesteal lang naman yung tamos, di ba?
Oh my god, I have so much money
Naka-anti-lifesteal
too.
ako eh.
I'm gonna decorate the space. I love this room. This will be my future home.
Hindi naman ayan ah.
Gotta put down some items. Yeah, you look boring. I don't know you too. Oh shit.
Oh, mag-MM.
You think you can do You can't even damage me too much.
Okay. Ay,
I don't need this.
huwag muna kayo.
What's the wrong way?
Huwag tayo, bro.
Tell me the wrong way. So what's not the wrong way? He had me now! What was that? I'm gonna drop the thing. Bye. I don't need to do that. Can the roof have it? What? So, I'm gonna use all my wood. Is it wrong one? Rocky, I need more dogs.
Uy, magpahinga na kayo. Matulog na kayo. Tumulog na.
Me, pwede ko.
Ano mo ka?
30 pesos. Yes. Mommy said I can. Mommy said, my mom said if I do some chores, I get money. She never done that before, so I'm taking advantage of it and saying, and also the other person taking the they don't know.
Ano? May kabayo? Sandy, ba't di natin gawing PS2? Bago. Hindi na kaya ito. Pagtrabaho?
1,000 pesos a day.
Utang. Mas malaki pa yung tao. Kay mami mo. Ato ka na kaya sa amin, Marcus.
1,000 pesos a day.
Sa peso na doon.
Ito ka galing by offer.
Nag-offer agad.
Sige, makapag-negotiate ka.
Project only. Ate.
600.
600.
Wala ka dyan!
700. Take it or leave it.
Go!
700 pa.
Kaya lang kailangan ko yung ano. Bumili na ba yan?
12.30.
Sige, tingnan ko maganda. Ito yung challenge.
This ain't no challenge for me. I'm the bull. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yung walang ano.
Hindi ka pa nga nag-decide kung gusto mo.
Di ba pwede yung kulay itim? Yun mo ko kulay itim.
Yung ano.
This ain't no challenge for me. So what the?
Inalis ko lahat ng files ko nun. 100 tables. Baka mamaya pag boss ko yan, hindi ko na bumas. Ang sabi mo. Ito mo nga, tignan mo na gamit na yun. Baka mamaya, i-nurse ko lahat yung mga nandun na.
Kung nga ginagawa sa mga files mo na, ano ba ba matutunan? Makababa ko na yung
Wala naman akong game.
lalabas na tayo.
What? Where did they go? We're just starting. Huh, man.
Maaga ka na tulog pala.
Ine-explore ko na pa.
Long tayo pasok eh.
Good job. Good job. I really wanted to do more. 20 diamonds? I really wanted to do that. Spawn it, please, Cassie. I want to do 12.
Variable ID. Bakit yung Apple Watch mo nahulog doon?
Come on, Cracky. Cracky. With more than 20, I'm gonna quit the game. Cracky, that's take it or leave it. Give more than 20, I'm quitting the game. This is for everybody.
Di ba?
I pay attention to this game for a long time. I attend this update every day. It's not hurting.
Ulit mo ah.
No, 21? Are you kidding me? I fought all this code. And I fought lots and lots of code. I didn't even want this thing. I just took it as a pity. Now give me 100 diamonds. Oh, okay, that's better. Okay, thank you. This is. I needed an admin gaming. My favorite weapon.
Download ko ba? File.
I'll find my army and destroy them all.
Diamond. Diamond time. Yeah, this may use this one. I don't know. So it's deforestation. I don't care about this one. Please. We'll show this one. Deforestation. Don't care about that. Deforestation. Look at the million. Ready? That ain't enough. Everybody follow me, mighty strong army. Cause me like it up, It's so interesting. Darn it. I love soccer.
Bored ka naman. Bored ka na.
Nope. Let's go 300. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Help, 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 help. Jesus. What? No, I wanted 300 coins this game. I thought you were actually serious, but actually, that would have been so fun. Who's your friend? Oh shoot, oh shoot. I forgot to bring the flashlight. Time to touch. No item. I do. Correct. He was gonna win. He's just a coward. Look at him, he's a
Bakit hindi
coward.
mo na?
Not even want to fight with him.
Hindi ko sa
He's a coward. He hates the light.
Salitaan.
He's a coward. Getting coward.
pagpasok ko ay.
Sikat naman. If you still don't have it, what's the scrap and wood? Okay, I got you. Let's go! I needed to finish my base.
Ito. Ito pa. Okay lang yan, namatay naman dalawa.
Nawala yung mark ko lang yung Edward.
Oh? Bakit?
Hindi ko
Yung... Anong yun? Anong nawala doon? Baka may dito po lang ng server. Ano mga server dyan. Ayun kasi gagawin kita ng sige. Bigyan na lang kita ng Hindi niya yata. Okay. Wala akong mga... Sige, umabol kayo ang dalawa. Ang dami. Yan na. Yun, tapos. Nice one. Outplay! Sabog ang mukha, boy. Ulo.
Ayun, nakita ko na. Okay na.
Nandibigil.
Okay na.
Yan lang naman yun, hindi mo makukuha sa sa'yo. Kasi kahit mabura mo yun, meron pa rin yun sa ano.
Oo, kaso ang hirap na i-email ko nga.
Kung may access ka doon, hindi na makita na inalis doon, meron pa rin yun. Hindi mo mawala yun.
Pero meron ako mga hindi kilala na nandun sa shared. I-double check ko po.
Eh, Eh, si Blaze yun, sila Blaze yun.
Inaano, hard
Oo, sila Blaze yun.
Kasi, Tony,
Ulit nito. Unat din eh, oh. Isip niya. Iba pa kontra doon sa ayos na yun.
tapos si Arlen nasa personal team Edward. Si Daddy wala. Carlos
Wala
lang.
pa. Ano ka na? So, okay. Ay! Natapon tayo na na. Wala nang buhay yun.
Ay, wala.
Ano nga, pagkatas dito, kasi na.
Hello, open it.
Oh Lord.
Anyway, that's it. Bye.
Ah, di ko kape.